a new treatment for PTSD is up for review. So today, we're digging into the FDA's take on MDMA. So could MDMA actually be an approved treatment? The FDA's weighing the evidence right now. Let's dive in.
Just so you know, everything we're looking at comes straight from the FDA's official briefing documents.
The FDA's whole review really boils down to two huge questions. Does it work? And is it safe?
Okay, first up, the clinical trials. We need to look at how they studied this thing.
So patients got either MDMA or a placebo, plus psychotherapy, over about 18 weeks. And how did they measure success? They used something called a CAPS-5 score to track symptoms.
So the big question is, did it actually work? Let's check out what the data showed.
Okay, these charts show how PTSD symptoms changed, and wow, look at that gap between the groups. And here are the numbers. The MDMA group saw a way bigger drop in their symptom scores. But, seeing if it works is only half the battle. What about the safety concerns? All right, here are the common side effects. Pretty much what you'd expect from stimulants, honestly. They also saw some pretty serious cardiovascular effects. Think big spikes in blood pressure and heart rate.
But here's a big problem for the study: blinding. Almost everyone figured out if they got the drug.
And that makes you wonder, how much of this was just people expecting it to work? Okay, but did the effects actually last? That's a huge question, so they did a follow-up study. Wow, okay, each line here is one person's journey tracking their symptoms over a long time. And the takeaway? It looks like for a lot of people, the improvements really did stick around. So, you've seen the data. What does this all mean for the FDA's final decision? It's a tough call. They have to balance these really promising results with some serious safety concerns.
This whole situation gets at a huge challenge in approving new drugs, leaving one big question.